Hello everyone, I'm Neha Kapoor, health coach at SugarFit. So today we are going to discuss about various flour that can help you in reducing blood sugar levels. Nowadays, refined flour has become a very important ingredient in most of our recipes and the topmost reason for diseases too. Among the list of diseases, diabetes is a topmost concern as it is a carbohydrate metabolic disorder. Hence, choosing the right flour make a big difference in the blood sugar parameters as well as your HbA1c levels. For people with diabetes, there are many low glycemic index flour that can be substituted with regular flour to provide wholesome, nutritionally and tasty dishes. Qualities that you should look in flours are: it should be low in carbohydrate, it should be high in fiber, consist of hard healthy fats and proteins. If you wish to bring your blood sugar under control, flours that are low in carbohydrate and have low GI are best for you. After introducing a new flour into your diet, it is imperative that you check your blood sugar before and after consuming the food item. If blood sugar levels are within the desirable range, it's good for you, or if it is giving a spike, then definitely you need to take a help of your health coach to modify. Flours that should be avoided or used infrequently are corn flour, all-purpose flour, pastry flour, rice flour, and cake flour. It has a low glycemic index, which is less than 1, low carbohydrate content, high in protein and fiber, and on the top it provides fats that are good for your heart. Flavor-wise, it is nutty and mild and making it a great alternative for your regular flour. Makes it good choice for the cookies, for baking products, and to get the better elasticity because it lacks gluten, it makes the product more denser. It is rich source of calcium, has high fiber content, also keeps you full for a longer period. It helps you in losing the weight as well as to control your blood sugar levels too. It also helps in reducing inflammation that is commonly seen in diabetes. Amaranth atta, a non-gluten atta, is rich in fiber. Basically, in 100 grams of amaranth flour, you will get 2 grams of fiber. It decreases the hunger-stimulating hormone called ghrelin, which helps one lose weight by reducing the intake of food. Though amaranth has a high glycemic index, approximately 107, but combining it with low GI food, it can be the Bengal gram flour, it can be the almond flour, will help you in reducing its glycemic index to 25. Due to its nutritional benefits, it's a great choice for individuals with diabetes. It's also very helpful in flushing your uric acid and reducing it further. It helps in boosting the metabolism, it helps in losing the weight, it also reduces inflammation which mostly accompanies diabetes. Barley is also rich in fiber. It contains 61% of the recommended daily value of magnesium, which not only helps in controlling the blood sugar but also regulates insulin production in the body. With a GI of 53 to 66, it falls in a low or to middle range. It is pocket-friendly, gluten-free, rich in plant-based fiber. Soluble plant fiber reduces cholesterol. Hence, it is very helpful because it's easily get absorbed, leading to a good blood sugar control. It has a low GI 44, which is absolutely perfect choice. Oat flour can be made by blending oats into a mixture, or you can just blend it in a food processor. It again has low GI, which is 44, gluten-free, high in fiber called beta glucan, which helps decrease the blood sugar levels. Other than substituting low GI flour, some of the substitution can also be made like sourdough. Sourdough is healthy because the yeast produces gut bacteria that responds well to rise in blood sugar levels. When baking, use the sourdough methods to lower the glycemic index of certain flour. It has proven to reduce GI by 20 points. So today we have learned a lot of flour that can help you in reducing your blood sugar levels and the glycemic index. So stay tuned to SugarFit and keep learning more about diabetes and the various ingredients that can help you in reducing your blood sugar levels. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.